Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Today I'll be telling you how to make a Kahoot quiz, in Kahoot obviously, in English and Hindi on phone. So let's get started. Type create Kahoot quiz and then click the enter button. Click the first link. Now I've already made my account, so I don't have to give the username or email. Then if you're doing it for the first time, sign up, and then you can find all these. If you're a teacher, you can go to teacher. Then this all comes in teacher, school administration, business, higher education, school. Student, you will just make your own small account. I don't really know what's professional. Right now we're making our own personal account. So enter your date of birth, then ask you for your Gmail account, and then create a username and a password. I don't have to do that right now. So username, I have created my username as transformerbot129. Let's log in. Okay, logging in. Prepare for awesomeness. Really good dialogue. Really good. Now go to these three lines on the top. Under Kahoots, go to My Kahoots. Then I've created already three Kahoots. Create new. Then start typing a question. Then I'll just change this to English. Type the question you want. Any question you can do. Like, what do you say? What is the meaning of thwart? Thwart. Then what you can do is, what is this? Then give the answers. Block. This is the right answer. Hi. Not the correct answer. And then bye. Now block. All these are on not correct answers. Why do I keep clicking on that button? So sorry. My bad. Again, I'll have to go to, now I'll go to my drafts to view. I think my question's already there. So I'll go to this, click on correct answer. That's it. Then if you want to edit the question timing, the points, go to these three dots, set time limit 10 seconds. It's from 5 to 240 seconds. This one, points, no points meaning 0, normal meaning 1000, double meaning 2000. Then answer options, single select. Players can only select one of the answers. Multi-select, they can select many answers, 2 or more. And then delete is for deleting the question, and duplicate, we don't need duplicate right now. So now I'll be teaching you how to make a Kahoot quiz in Hindi. Now making a Kahoot quiz in Hindi on phone is pretty easy. So all you have to do is click the typing question option. Put in the question option. Long press the space bar. Click any of the Hindi language you want. The first one is your keyboard will remain in English, but the word you type will be in Hindi. So right now I'll say okay, this is not a good word. Alright, this is not a proper word to be done. Column. Then I can add the options, anything. Then type the correct one. The other Hindi keyboard is for totally Hindi. So I'll just type anything I want. Then to change your language, go to language settings, add keyboard, Marathi. I don't know Marathi, but I'm just adding it. Done. Now back, and when you go over here, you can see Marathi is added. Now for Google voice typing, I don't know, it's not working for me right now. Let's see. It's saying try again from the last 30 minutes. So when you open this Google voice dictating, it'll be green in color, so you can speak, and then it'll just keep on writing, and it'll be green in color, so it'll be written tap to pause. Then when you pause it, this will become white in color, and then it'll say tap to resume or tap to speak. Then it'll be back to green color. Now everything is done. Let me just add my question. Something. Set time limit 10 seconds. Points double. Duplicate answer options. I already told you in the previous clip. One thing I forgot to tell you in the previous clip, how to add a picture. So image library, you can do this. All the images made by Getty Images provided in Kahoot. I'll put this. Pretty weird push, cat in a pretty weird pose. What I can do is go back. Oh, this is for my bad. Again back to drafts. So my bad. Kahoot title. Okay, I'll just remove this. Then I can add an image from my phone or a YouTube video. So just cancel this. So now I implore you to make your own Kahoot quizzes and share them with me. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, please like and share. And for now, stay home, stay safe, and let Corona stay out of the house.